So we can finally use my social media again. Snapchat's working, Instagram's working. Oh, look at this. We're in Taiwan. Thank you. All the shops are there. Let's check out the hallway. Kind of looks like a hospital hallway.
Oh, it's raining, bro.
Seriously. Is it? Look out the window.
Let's get out, bro. It's raining.
Oh yeah, we might have to get it.
Yeah? I'll go
Oh, it's raining. So our Airbnb is up there.
Postcards.
Oh, postcards! I need to buy postcards.
Oh,
We can buy later. We'll have a look around.
oh, heaps of key rings, bro.
So much things to do.
What did the guy say? Where's this? Is train station here?
That's the train station there somewhere. I don't know. Suits, uniforms.
Puma. Oh, they've got Elmo trackings. What the hell?
There. Let me zoom in.
The Elmo, oh, the Cookie Monster.
What street is this called? Ximending?
This is
Oh,
where
isn't that food court that used to be?
This is where we have to go.
What's it called?
We have to go. We have to try that one on the way back.
I just hate that it's raining, man. Seriously.
Nike. Oh, there's Nike shop here. Oh, it's there.
So many places to do.
Just like browsing around.
Yeah. Oh, ice cream. Ice cream.
Oh,
Oh, milk tea. Oh,
drink.
milk tea is here too.
oh,
Keychain.
ice cream.
Oh, yeah, ice cream here too.
What am I going on?
Oh my god, there's so much shit to do. How's it?
Chocolate.
Too sweet? How would you rate? Yes? Good? Good? What did you get? Strawberry. Strawberry? Strawberries and cream?
Dude, we're gonna get stuck back here.
Strawberries and cream?
I swear to God.
Strawberries cream? No. Nice. Very good.
Okay. The downside is that there's
But
Oh, flour.
you said it's good, yeah?
It's decent. You can taste the green tea though.
You
like
like
it?
it? I wouldn't say it's green tea and custard, yeah?
I actually enjoyed that chocolate one though.
Maybe the chocolate is better.
Too bad, none left.
It's too sweet.
Oh wow. That's really sweet.
Yeah, see?
Eat them fries. Oh, what? The green post.
Macadamia. Have we got a cross? 2-1.
We're going. Shit. We're going. Let me point out the direction of where.
I think our hotel is that way. I think.
Reckon?
Yeah.
No, it's on the green post.
Oh, is it?
What's this place?
Yeah, it's like colored post. I want the green post.
Hot. The pork has a sweet flavour to it. Quite nice. Awesome.
Still for her subscribers or her viewers.
What is it called?
Pork pepper bun.
Pork pepper bun.
And it's got like green onions and pork and shit inside. That's quite good.
Oh, okay.
That's decent. I like it. It's a good little snack.
Come back. Okay. You see it?
Yep.
It's actually really hard. Haven't got to the filling yet. It's hot. Can you see it?
Yeah, you can see it. I'm telling you, the next stop is that noodle thing. You have to go there.
This is called what? Pork pepper bun with sesame on top. Peppery. I like it. I think it's peppery. Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers. Best beers in Taiwan.